Welcome to Health Bulletin. Today we're diving into a fascinating yet controversial new technology that says it can predict how long you'll live. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists have developed a way to measure how fast you're aging using a simple cheek swab. But beyond the science, there are critical questions about ethics, commercialization, and what this means for our understanding of health and aging. The technology called Cheekage is a new biological clock reader developed by the company Tallyhealth, according to a press release issued on October 1st. For nearly a decade, scientists have been using biological markers to predict how fast people are aging. But up until now, these predictions often required blood samples or extensive medical tests. Researchers at Tallyhealth, a longevity company based in New York, have come up with a simpler and far less invasive method. By analyzing DNA from cheek swabs, they've developed a way to measure DNA methylation, which is actually a chemical changes to DNA that occur as we age. According to the scientists, these cheek cell samples can predict mortality just as accurately as blood samples. So what does this all mean for the average person? Well, the rate at which you age is influenced by a range of factors, starting from your genetics, lifestyle choices, and even the environment you grew up in. Additionally, smoking, stress, diet, pollution exposure, they all leave a mark on your DNA. And this test claims to offer insights into how fast you're aging, potentially allowing you to adjust your habits to slow the process down. Some people age faster than others, and this test could tell you if you're on track to live a long, healthy life, or if your biological clock is ticking faster than you think. But let's take a step back. While the science behind this technology is promising, there's another side to this story. Tallyhealth, the company behind Cheekage, is already selling cheek swab tests for $250 a kit. And that raises an important question. Is this a genuine scientific breakthrough, or is it just another product being marketed for profit? The study published in Frontiers in Aging does indeed show the potential of this technology, but we have to ask, how accessible is this test for the average person? And are people paying for the promise of knowing their biological age without fully understanding what it means for their long-term health? The implications of this technology go beyond individual health. It touches on deeper ethical questions. If we can predict how long someone might live, how will that information be used? Will it be empowering, allowing people to make lifestyle changes and live healthier lives? Or could it create unnecessary anxiety, pushing people to obsess over the inevitability of aging and death? And what about privacy? With such sensitive data, there are concerns about how this information will be stored and who will have access to it. Could this lead to discrimination in healthcare or insurance markets? These are questions that go beyond the science and into the ethics, regulation, and public policy. As we push the boundaries of what science can tell us about aging, we also need to ask ourselves, just because we can predict our biological age, does that mean we should? This new technology promises to revolutionize how we view health and longevity, but it also presents a number of challenges. From commercialization to ethics, the path ahead is anything but straightforward. So here's the big question. Is this the future of health where everyone will have access to personalized aging insights? Or are we just giving into a new era of wellness marketing where businesses profit from our deepest anxieties about aging and mortality? Thank you for watching Health Bulletin. Share your thought and comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more insightful discussions on science and the global challenges shaping our future.